got the engine tightened down as much as I can't. I got as much stuff on it as I want to put on it. So now I'm gonna bounce it to the transmission. I just tightened up some bolts on the left axle that I had taken off, years ago when I had started this project. I took out the axle to clean out all the oil. So I just tightened that up and then just wire brushed it just by hand just to get, while I have it off and there's not stuff on it, I can, just pick at stuff and scrape it off. It's easier. So, but it's clean enough as much as I want to get it for now. So let me get the engine on it. Hopefully it'll line up. I'm gonna basically use my lift here to basically get it in the right place. So hopefully it's hopefully it's in the right spot. So. Oh, it's heavy. Pants are caught under. Well, it look like we're roughly the right height. So it just, let me see. Oh, we're very close to the right height. I don't know if you can see that. Get that one. Alright, so let me pause for a second while I'm thinking of it. I have the gasket. I gotta go dig out the gasket for in between. I'd already made one for this side, for the connection plate to the engine. Now I need one from the transmission to the plate. Alright, so I have the gasket here. I think this is right side up. So back a little bit. That should be good. Go down a little bit. Something's tight up. Go back up. Can't tell. That's too low. So I'm gonna go up a little bit. There we go. So these are the oddball sizes. They don't have them that much common. Majority of the bolts on a Gravely are typically like 9/16, half 13. These are a 5/8 bolt. So or something. I forget what these are. But it's half inch. It's a 5/8 inch wrench. Let's see that. It seems. Pulling it in. pretty easy. Yeah, I made this service lift, I don't know how many years ago now, 8 years ago, 6 years ago, and it's definitely worth the money you put into it, which was not much. Alright, so I think we're good overall. I think what I'm going to do is raise it a little bit. Alright. It's been a long time coming to get this back on. So, pretty psyched. So we're getting close to getting this back to be able to run it. So let me just tighten up the bolts, and we'll start maybe adding some handlebars and stuff. So, all right, I'll be back.